Welcome back to Trading Wars. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be providing you all with the tools and weapons and ammunition that you need to succeed on the battlefield. Whether you're day trading, swing trading, investing, whether you're in futures, stocks, or options, these three principles are fundamental for your success. Okay, so if you're ready, let's step into the war zone. Okay, guys, so the first thing that I want to talk about right off the bat is risk management. Risk management is the only thing as traders that you can control. When you enter into a trade, you don't know if you're going to make money or lose money, but you can control how much you're going to lose. And this is where risk management comes into play. So in my previous video, guys, I always talk about the R multiple. So what is the R multiple? The R multiple is what you're willing to lose on any given trade. And that is between 1 to 2% of your account balance. So that means if you have $10,000 in your account, you're willing to lose anywhere between $100 to $200 per trade. Or if you have a $20,000 account, you're willing to lose anywhere between $200 to $400 per trade. And that applies no matter what your account size is. And what this does, guys, is it allows us to fix the amount that we're going to lose in each trade so that we never blow up our accounts. This system provides protection. Okay. And as long as you have a system that has a positive expectancy, which I'm going to be talking about in point 2, you will never blow up your account, even if you lose 5 or 10 or 15 trades in a row, guys. Okay. So what I want to also illustrate with our system is what the P&L looked like for the last week. Okay. And this, I have videos for each one of these days for you guys to go back and refer to look at the specific setups and look how we executed. But I wanted to point out some days you are break even. Some days you're losing, depending on which side you decide to play, which bias you have. Okay, guys. But at the end of the week, we are still positive. We have a positive 7-hour long, positive 10-hour short. And what does that look like for 10, anywhere between 10 to 20K account? That's $1,400 to $2,800 long and $2,000 to $4,000 short, guys. And that is amazing money to be making each and every week. It's something you can strive for. It's something that you can have as a goal. Your account might not be 10K now, but it's something that you can use this system to apply and build as you go on and continue in your trading career. Okay, guys? So the next topic that I want to talk about is having a positive expectancy system. So risk management is the most important thing, but if you don't have a system that is going to give you an average winner higher than your loser, you are still going to lose money and eventually lose your account. So I have a little chart here that I prepared for you guys in Excel. And this is looking at having 100 trades per year, having just a 50% win rate, guys. That means every time you enter a setup, you know that you basically have the same chance as flipping a coin. Okay, you're going to risk $200 like we talked about. That's your R, so 2% of your account, and your average winner is going to be 2R. Okay, so that might fluctuate from week to week, but on average, you want to be aiming to be making double your losers. So if we do the math, you're going to have a net profit of $10,000 on the year, guys. With 50 winners and 50 losers, you're still making money. You've been able to double your account at the end of the year, and you have a balance now of 20K, and then you can take that and apply that to the next year. Okay, guys? So how would you actually find a system that has 50% win rate? Well, you have to look at the setups that you like to trade. So maybe something like a double bottom, Fibonacci, Bollinger Band, whatever it is, and go back and test that system for the last year, 2 years, and see what's the win rate, what's the expectancy, what's the winners, the losers, and do the math to make sure that this system at the end of the day is going to give you positive results. Okay, guys, and yes, it does take work, but this is the only way you can get confidence in your system. Okay, and then the last thing I wanted to talk about, guys, going back to our list here, is consistency and learning. So consistency is important because as soon as the system stops working, most traders, including myself, when we first started, will jump on the new trending system or something that's different because we think that it doesn't work. But guys, if you've done the back testing, you know that there's going to be some times where you have 3, 4 losers in a row. So you have to be consistent with your system. Do not change it. Follow what your testing shows you, and always be willing to keep learning because the markets change, indicators change, systems change. Give guys like me a chance, listen to what we have to say, and then take what we say and actually do your own research. Apply it to your system, see what the results are, and come with a positive attitude each and every day to the market. Okay, guys? So just to summarize again, risk management is the only thing we can control. And even if you are break even some days or you're losing -1R, we're controlling our losses and allowing our winners to be more than our losers. And at the end of the week, we still have a positive P&L. We have a positive expectancy in our system, meaning we've done our back testing. We know if we take a double bottom outside of Bollinger Band, we're going to have a 55% win rate, let's just say. Okay, guys, that's the due diligence you need to do. Be consistent. Don't jump the gun. Don't be emotional, and always have the right attitude to keep learning. Okay, guys, this works on stocks, futures, options. It doesn't matter. These principles are the most important things, and this will dramatically change your trading career. Okay, guys, thanks for joining me. Please like, comment, subscribe, and let me know if you want further breakdown of each one of these topics. I can make separate videos. Thank you very much, guys, and enjoy the rest of your weekend.